Hi everyone and welcome. This is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and today we will be discussing about how to file Kentucky tobacco tax returns. So this is going to be the updated 2024 method. Make sure to follow this and also make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already, since it is going to be a step-by-step review about each and everything. Now filing your Kentucky tobacco tax returns could be extremely important if you haven't done that within a year or two, since it could be causing some penalties or fines if not done on time. So the very first thing that you're going to do is head over to the official side of kentucky.gov or government, and once you are there you can see we have tobacco and vapor products tax departments of revenue. So this is the exact site that we should be heading over to. Once you are here, click on this and we will be directed towards this section. So just hold on for a couple of moments until we are here. So you can see we have various different stuff going on in here. The very first thing, it is saying that how you can register. So of course, to tax or file your taxes, you are going to be registering to their platform. So you can see we have system technical inquiries should be directed towards, this is the basically support and contacts which you can reach out to if you have any type of questions or queries related to your tax returns. So what you're going to do is, you can see first of all we need to register, and for that you can head over to this e-file, all tax payment and e-file options. If you want to do that, you can see if I click on tobacco tax laws, you can go through some of the laws and things that you should be aware of. Okay, so first of all we need to head over to official Kentucky one stop business portal, and this is the gateway from where you will be able to file your taxes and start your process. So the very first thing is, now before we go through this step, I highly suggest you guys simply organize all of your documents that you're going to be potentially be needing, like for example your different type of ID numbers, your citizenship number or business numbers, and all type of potential stuff that you're going to be needing to go through this, to collect that and organize them on your onto your desk. Then head over to this process. So first let's just head over to the official portal and sign in and register to there. So currently you can see it is loading, and now we need to enter in here our email address. So if you do not have an account, you can of course create an account. If you have one, you can enter your email address in here. And yeah, so I do not have an account. I'm going to be clicking on create new account, and we need to fill all of these fields. So among these fields are going to be your name, your middle name and last name. So this is the basic level of verification that you're going to be doing. If you already have an existing Kentucky Online Gateway account, you can of course head over to that section and sign in, but this is going to be important since we are first time logging into the platform, and we need to provide a very authentic email that we will be working on. Then we need to provide our mobile number and city address and everything. So let's assume that we are now signed into our account. You can see that we have different type of tax compensations and information related to that, whether you want to do it related to your vaping systems. And we also have different bills for open vaping system as I discussed, and you can go through all of this informations. So you can see an e-cigarette, an e-hookah, e-cigar, vape, pen drive, and whatsoever is going to be, these are the ends. Ends are defined as electronic devices delivered that delivers nicotine, and all these are taxable, and you need to simply file your taxes for this type of business and the tax stamps that you are working with. So as I discussed, if you want to hire a tax professional, that is an option as well. So if you feel like you cannot do it yourself, you can see we have consumer tax in here, and if you want to go with the tax professional guidance or maybe through your library, you can go through that. Or even if you want to hire one, you should have an option for that as well. You can send a request to their tax policy at ky.gov, and apparently they will be getting back to you within 12 to 15 or 12 to 24 hours actually, and let you know about the information. So you should be going through all of these details, and apparently it is going to be making much more helpful and sense to you once you go through the information yourself. Now if I jump back, you will be able to see that the registration process was pretty simple. The Department of Revenue administers tobacco taxes on cigarettes and other tobacco products, snuffs, and vapor products. So, cigarettes and tobacco licenses are obtained through the Kentucky One Stop Business Portal, as I discussed already, and it should be really kept in mind that you are going to be needing to sign into their official account, and from there you can easily add your information and get started with filing your own taxes yourself. You do not need to even go to banks and various other agencies to do it for you. And so some of the things that should be kept in mind, that customer support is available between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. EST Monday through Friday, and specific tag questions and stamps issues should be continued to send to KYDOR staff. Examples: KYETS systems. Technical questions may be blocked IPs, any system error. So this should be kept in mind that if you are trying to seek some help, you're going to be proceeding to them on the right exact time, so you can file your taxes exactly how you want related to your tobacco and Kentucky tobaccos. Now there are various other sites which actually do also support this type of Kentucky related to laws and forms, but what I suggest is you simply go with the official sites, as you can see in here as well, the Kentucky taxes, and you can go through all of this information. They will be letting you know more about yourself. So if you still feel like you have any questions or you want to ask something, you can drop it below in the comments below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible, trying to guide you even more how you can file the taxes and do the stuff. And if you feel like our videos are valuable enough and you feel information out of it, you can simply consider subscribing to our channel, and also make sure to follow, since we are regularly uploading this type of videos to guide you guys. And yeah, if you have any suggestions, ideas, or if you want to ask anything, as I discussed already, you can let us know in the comments below. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.